Hey, this is Dr. Chris Gubbels here from Square One, and today I just want to show you some simple exercises you can do to help relieve some back pain using a simple foam roller. And there's 3 different things I'm going to show you to do. First of all, a nice tip when we're doing this, I want to make sure that you keep your head and neck in a nice, strong, stable position. And so I'm going to have you lifting your hips up, and I want to make sure you keep your head here in a neutral position. I don't want you to flex your head. I don't want you to pull on it. Just keep it nice, natural, neutral. Then I'm going to have you cross your arms. This is to get your shoulder blades away from the midline of your spine to get some more exposure. And the first thing I'm going to show you to do is just to roll up and back just like this. And I'm going up all the way to the top of my upper thoracic spine, my rib cage. And for me, I'm going down as far as I can. The low back can be kind of tender for some people. The main area you're focusing on is on the mid back. So just start off doing this about 10 to 20 times is really good. Once you get this loosened up, what I want you to do is you're gonna start adding some twisting into it. So the first one is kind of like a snake. You're just gonna take your side, bring your shoulder towards your hip, and go back and forth, move along, and you're just hitting every single segment as you go up and down like this. And just getting some lateral bending, some movement in your spine. And the last one is I want you to do some twisting. And the twisting, you're just going to bring your elbow to one side, moving up and down, just back and forth. Now, in addition to the first one, what you can do is you can roll to your side and kind of roll right on your rib areas. And what we're trying to do with this is just basically increasing some mobility to your spine. Now, there's different kinds of foam rollers. I think if you're new at this, you might want to get one that's a little bit more spongy, a little bit more giving, a little softer. And then over time, you might want to get one that's a little bit harder, more dense foam. All we're trying to accomplish with this is just get mobility into your spine, just keeping things moving properly. Adding movement to your spine alone is going to reduce some pain, it's going to reduce some tension, and it's really good for your overall health. So this is kind of like a giant piece of floss for your spine. I think everyone should do this once or twice a day, especially if you're sitting all day long doing computer work, taking some breaks, getting your foam roller out. Definitely in the morning and night, just periodically get some movement in your spine with some simple foam roller exercises. Now, if you're out there and you have neck pain, back pain, you live in the Fort Collins area, I suggest giving us a call. You can always call and get a free consultation. Our number is 970-207-4463. If you don't live in the Fort Collins area, I recommend finding a chiropractic biophysics provider, someone that's highly trained in spine and spinal correction. But if you live around the area and like to do a free consultation, give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you.